All right, so this is a Fiber Cell Cordova boat. It's a 1979, I think. I just picked it up for 300 bucks, and I'm pretty happy with the price. God, just a trailer I think is worth that. So this is my first time actually looking through it, so I'm going to do a quick little tour and run around. From what I gather, a lot of these may have been custom made. This is, I think, a 23 foot boat, so it's got the closed bow. It's totally unique to any other boat that I've owned. What's up, bud? All right, Nichols is climbing in. Looks like it's got the Mercruiser Alpha 1 outdrive on it. Trolling motor plate. Climbed up that all by yourself? Good job. Now. Here, let's throw this down so Sis can get on. So this is the engine. What do you think about the engine, Nikolai? There's dust and stuff in the carburetor. That's not good. What do you think about the engine, buddy? What did you say?
It exploded.
It exploded? It may have exploded. Okay. Hey, do you want to...
This person was doing too much weight on it.
Too much weight? You want me to help you climb in? Be very, very careful because it's dirty in here. And there could be spiders. So, golly, that just made a big mess on me. Flip this over. Well, watch out, Pickles. All right. Okay.
Wait.
What? What do you see? No way. You found a rope. Good. That's great news.
And now we got another one.
That's right. So this has two biminis, it looks like. That's neat. Here, should we pull that rope out, buddy?
Yep.
Let Dad help.
Yeah, Dad, you know you're stepping on it.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You're
So
still stepping on it with you.
Hold on, let me see why this is attached down here. Okay.
I got one.
Why won't this thing
I got one.
lift up?
And I got one.
Stuck. There we go. Okie dokie. There's more ropes.
Yeah.
Really? Did you get that one all the way out?
Yeah.
Good work, man. And there's more ropes in there, you say?
Mhm.
You're kidding me. Look at this mess, though. They just let this sit in the back of someone's car or someone's backyard for.
In here?
They just let it sit in the backyard for a long, long time. Yep. Holy cow! Look at this bench. I have no idea where that bench goes.
The front.
Looks like we've got all sorts of gauges. This is a little unique to me, the steering wheel being on the left side. Hold on, let's clear this out so see if Nikolai can get all the way up in there. Do you want to try to get all the way up in there, buddy?
Right now?
Yeah. Hold on. Mom's calling. Should I answer it? Oh, we got a stainless steel prop, dude.
Good.
We're not taking this boat, but. Whew, let me see that. Mr. Pickles. What'd you find? What'd you find? A ball?
No.
What is it? What is that?
I found the anchor though.
Nice, dude. That's a good find, man. You got anchors. That's a buoy. That's so we know, like, if we drop this anchor, we know that it's attached to this red ball. That's pretty neat. And we got this bad boy. Guess how much I bought this boat for?
Dad, I found the bed.
How much?
$1,200.
Braden, guess?
I'm guessing it's cheap, so I'm gonna guess like
$750. Those are both great guesses. I bought it for $300. And geez, dude, just a
sweet for $300.
just a stainless, yeah, I know, right? Just a stainless steel prop is dang near worth that. So
Dad, I found the bed.
yeah, I know, dude. Hopefully we can get it
I found
running.
the bed.
There's a bed? Show me what you found in there. Go, buddy. All right, what do we got?
This I don't know.
Oh my, those are like windows, it looks like. It's got a little sink over here.
Ooh.
Does have a stereo.
Nope.
Take this key out. I wonder if that fits over here. I hope it does.
Those are all these ropes.
Where'd you buy it?
Sean and I went and picked it up last night.
Dad, there's stuff
Got a
in
cigarette
here.
lighter in here.
Dad,
What's up? Oh, no way. There's more stuff in there.
there's a cup.
There's cups. Show me what you got in there, Mr. Pickles. Okay, we got a cup with parts in it. Looks like the cup has plugs, random stuff.
Look at
No, what is that? I don't even know what that is.
Oh.
What else did you find?
this.
Oh, you found that. That is something. I have no idea what that is. And duck butter for buying. Oh, dudes. Huh. This used to be for like old wakeboards and stuff. So
I
we
wonder
don't really use
what
it
this
much
tool
anymore.
is.
Whoa, that's a pretty neat tool. Good question. Good question. Do you see those windows up there? Look, there are windows. Ooh, you know what we should try to do? Do you want to climb out that window right here? Let's see if you can open it. Let's see if Dad can help you open it.
Yeah.
We just opened it up. What's up there? Hey, what's up there?
Nothing.
Oh man.
But there's a front.
Let's see the front. Whoa. Do you want to climb up and climb out? Want Dad to help you? What's up?
No.
There's like benches that go over it, I think. You know what? There might be something underneath here. Oh, nope. Whoa, there's a moth.
What?
A moth just flew out of here.
Good.
I see it.
Nothing was under here.
Let's see what we got in here. Okay. We got an amplifier.
Pull out the amplifier.
I have no idea. I think it's a 1979, so I mean it's old. Dude, I don't know where these cushions might go up there. Or maybe they were just remade. Nothing in there. Maybe there's something underneath.
Yep, somebody used this boat.
Somebody used it for sure.
Bees. They
Bees.
just killed up here.
Oh, they're dead bees. Well, cool, bud. All right, man, let's hop out.
Out of the boat?
Out of the boat. We did it. We found our... This is quite the treasure. All sorts of cool stuff in here, huh, bud? Hey! Looks like we got a stereo system that was probably installed after the boat was made. Cool. Yeah, they got all sorts of cool stuff.
Oh my gosh! There's a secret!
There's a secret down there. Sweet. That's it, dude. This is the Fiber Cell Cordova boat, ladies and gentlemen. Cool.
What should we name this boat?
I don't know. What do you want to name it?
Probably. I don't know.
I don't know either. What's that?
This is water.
Huh. So this.
This thing is a water pump.
That says water? No, looks like it goes to the gas tank, to be honest.
Well, the gas tank's right there. Yeah.
Oh, there is a little. Okay, yeah, this is a little water tank. This probably just goes to the
Faucet.
the faucet up there. Yeah. So cool. don't know what kind of engine this is.
Holly.
Dad, I jumped backwards off of
The guy
this.
said it was a Chevy.
Dad.
Well, sweet.
Sweet.
I'm excited about this. Gonna work on it a little bit.
Yep. I do too.
Yep. Good jump. Let's go to the lake. Buddy, this is a place we forgot to look. Let's see if there's any treasures or secrets in here. Go. What?
What's this?
Whoa, it's a cone.
Hmm.
It's a funnel. It's a funnel. What else we got?
This?
Oil. What else?
This?
More oil. We got lots of oil. Okay, okay. What about what's in here?
More?
More oil. We got a lot of oil. More. Oh my goodness. Look at all that oil. You're pulling it all out, huh? Okay. Good.
There's so many. What is this?
Oh, what is this? That's something you can pump the oil out. It looks like. That's weird. I've never seen one of those. More oil. More oil. And then another funnel. Look at that funnel. Sweet, man. Dude, I'm glad you looked in there. Good thinking, Nikolai. Oh, let's be careful with that. That looks like it might be sharp. What is this?
There's
Maybe a ladder extension? There's two of them in there? Oh.
Oh. We have these.
Ever since my friends on a boat.
Dad, we have.
Oh my goodness, look at all these little guards we have. Now we're talking. 1, 2, 3 of them.
We also got a new flag.
Yes! A new dirty old flag. Perfect, perfect. What else?
This.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, do you know what this is?
A light.
It's a light.
Yo. Is there a 12-volt thing to plug it into?
Plug this in. Go plug this into the truck. See if it works.
Well, the truck needs to be on.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Well, maybe, maybe not.
Found this.
What is that?
Probably for
A stick.
for the flag.
Oh, that's what that is. It's broken. It goes right here.
Oh.
Oh, and then we have a light of some sort. Is that a light? Yeah, it's a light. But it's stuck in here. We can't get it out.
Probably needs to be on.
Ah, there we go. Cool. Nikolai, look at all this cool stuff, dude. Whoa.
This also.
Look at that. Man, perfect.
We also got this weird looking thingy.
Yeah, that weird look. Oh, oh, that just broke it. And you know what this is?
What?
It goes on top of this light.
It didn't work.
Cool. Is that everything in here?
Wait.
Fell down there. Some leaves. Wait. Ooh, some muffs. Yeah, we need these. That's good. Oh, and a toothbrush.
Ooh. What is this? Oh my gosh. Ooh. Who would want to keep a toothbrush in here?
I don't know. What do you think?
Oh, it's fine.
All right, let's close this. So, close that up.
Wait.
And hold on, let's see if
I
this.
saw something.
This doesn't look. Oh, you saw something else? What else?
I
Just
see
some pieces of wood. Nothing special.
I see a wire.
Here, put that back on there.
And a wire. We're gonna
Oh,
need
I
extra stuff for
actually see a charger. I see this.
Ooh, a wire. Yep, that's right. Good job, bud. Uh-oh. You know what? Cool. Look at all this cool stuff.